Hi guys, this is Elton. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, for today, what we are gonna be doing is to just go through a few lighting setups for the Cooler Master K550 keyboard, and I'm actually going to be hooking this keyboard up to the PC via its USB for the very first time. So let's just see if there's any sort of opening ceremony, something similar to the tecware Spectre Pro. Alright, so I also do have the user's manual on my screen on my TV, teaching me how to go through the lighting system. So oops, sorry about that. It's going to be a very simple video. Let's just start. Okay, USB in. You have its trademark Cooler Master purple light. Okay, what you can see here is actually a red button, a green button, and a blue button. So a mixture of these three colors will actually give you control over what color the overall of the keyboard actually is. So let's just put this back properly. Hit the function button, and you're able to actually control colors and mix. There's only a plus here, so it goes up a few clicks until the color switches off. See, green, blue, turquoise. You can add more green, you can eliminate blue, and it's razer green now. Okay, what I'm going to do is we'll just leave it at blue, which is my which is my favorite color. And this is probably going to be my daily setup from today. Okay, there are also several other buttons such as F5, 6, 7, 8, which all gives you a different kind of effect on the keyboard. So based on the user manual, F5 says cycle LED lighting mode, whatever that means. So function F5, and it's cycling through all different colors. So let's just see what happens if you hit the function F5 again. Right? Okay, so interesting. Function F5 again. Keystrokes are recorded and fades over time. Function F5 again. This is probably some sort of gaming setup. FPV gaming, Counter Strike. I don't know. So function F5 again. It's just lighting up randomly now. Yeah, you can change the color at the same time as well. So I'm gonna leave it at blue once again. So function F5, probably a different kind of cycle. Yep. So reset. Function E, hold down. It goes back to purple. Okay, I want my blue again. Let's see what's gonna happen. Come on, switch off. Blue. Okay, so function F6 actually says lighting background effect. I'm not sure what that means, but I don't see anything happening on the F6 and F7. F7 is lighting background effect, foreground, background, and lighting demo mode, function F8. So this demo mode is probably displayed when it's on the shelf in a computer shop, and that's pretty much about it. F9, F10, F11, F12, it says Windows lock, full keyboard lock, probably lock whatever mode there is here. F10 says record LED backlight, you can record whatever keystrokes and whatsoever. F11, 12, record macro, delete macro, I'm not sure what that means. Print screen, screen lock, pause, it says macro, single loop, infinite, macro loop. I'm pretty sure if I spend a little bit more time, I'm able to figure out what's what, and hopefully I'm able to actually come up with another video explaining what the letter buttons are for. So there are other, based on the user's manual, you are also able to actually let's just put this in cycle mode first. Oh, what's happening? You are actually also able to control the speed of the LED traveling, um, function up down. It says speed up lighting effect, slow down. You can see slowing down, going up. See, things are a little bit much faster now. This effect is nice. So if you want to slow it down, look at the speed of it traveling. So for this video, I'm going to be putting it a little bit. I'm going to be putting it a little faster, and let's see what happens. I'm not sure what effect is this, but yeah, kind of interesting. Function F5, again cycle mode, and well, I don't think there's anything much this keyboard lighting system has to offer other than what has been just what's been just displayed. So I'll be ending this video shortly. Once again, thank you for watching my video. If you like what you watch, if you like what you're watching, if you think you're gonna like what I'm gonna be uploading soon, do hit the subscribe button on the top left of this window. Alright, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.